Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can take a 360 photo on your iPhone. This feature is going to allow you to capture an entire scene around you, which is going to create a very nice experience. So iPhones don't really have a built-in 360 photo feature, but there are some third-party apps that can help you achieve this. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the hardware. As you can see, taking a true 360 photo would ideally require an ultra-wide lens on both the front and back camera, but the current iPhones, of course, do not support it, so this is not something that is going to work. However, the software solutions available can still create a pretty nice 360 photo by stitching together multiple images. To get started, you need to download a third-party app that can specialize in a 360 photography. One highly recommended app is called Simple 360. You can find it in the App Store, and it's known for how easy it can be used and how reliable it just puts everything together. So of course, go ahead and download it and open it up, and make sure that it has necessary permissions, like it should have the camera and photos access ideally. Then, of course, make sure to get the regular user interface of the app and then try to take a 360 photo. It's going to be labeled like a new photo, a plus icon or something like that, and just follow the on-screen instructions to begin. You should stand in the center of the area you want to capture and hold your phone steady and slowly rotating around in a circle. Make sure to capture the entire scene around you, but do not worry, as the app will guide you pretty much perfectly how you should do it. So it's gonna stitch everything together. The process might take a few moments depending on the complexity of the scene and the app's processing capabilities, but once the stitching process is complete, you can review your 360 photo to ensure it looks okay, and if not, you can of course redo it again. Now you can view it directly in the app, or I'm pretty sure you can also share it somehow. Not sure in which format it's going to be shared in, but there are definitely some ways how you can get it outside of the app. But that's it. You have successfully taken a 360 photo on your iPhone. Remember, practice makes perfect, just like with everything, so don't hesitate to experiment with different scenes and lighting conditions to get the best result. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later.